Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Adobe CC Tutorials bringing you guys the first tutorial on this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to export your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I already put some clips in here, and this is already an edited video. I just wanted to show you guys the exporting ways of it. So there's the video. We're going to want to come over here to File. After you select the clips that you want to export, you want to come over here, export, then you want to go to media. You could also press Control M in your keyboard. So this is going to bring up the export settings. So I just leave this at H.264 because that's pretty much MP4 or something like that. And then I just don't mess with this, but the first thing you want to change is the output name. So you just want to click here, and then you can just go and put it into a folder. So as you can see, I have a YouTube finished videos tutorial, and you can adjust the name right here, and then when you click save, it should save those settings. Make sure you have export video and export audio clicked, and then I always use the maximum render settings. I don't know what's going on with this text going over it, but I always do that just so that I can have the best quality videos that I have. And then lastly, all you're going to want to do is click export. And you could click Q if you do want to go through Adobe Media Encoder Q, but I just go ahead and just click export, and then it starts saving, and then it's just estimating the time, and that is basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is my first video on the channel. I'm gonna hope to bring some more content to you guys. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to learn the Adobe Creative Cloud programs and everything with that, trying to become better YouTubers and just helping you guys grow. So other than that, that's gonna wrap it up. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.